First graders, Mr. Igo with our next week of Heggerty. So the first thing we're going to do is rhyme recognition. So the adult is going to say the two rhyming words, and you are going to give a thumbs up if it rhymes, thumb down if it does not rhyme. So like chip, trip, rhyming words. Next up, we have our onset fluency, and we're working with digraphs. So the TH, SH, CH, and WH. So they'll read the three words, this, those, though, and you have to say the digraph. Next up, we're blending, so they're going to chop, sh, and you will blend it to ship. On the last one, we're going to identify the digraph. So they'll say the word fish, and you have to say sh. They'll say the word beach, and you have to say ch. Next up, it is your turn to chop. So they will say the word math, and you will say math. Next up, you have the rhyme or that ending part of the word. So they'll say eat, you say eat, and they'll say add sh, and you'll say sheet. So arc, you say arc, add sh, shark. Next up, you're going to do the opposite. You're going to delete that initial phoneme. So you're going to delete the digraph. So cheer, you'll say cheer. They'll say without ch, and you'll say ear. Thread, you'll say thread without, and you'll say red. And on the last page, my favorite one is where we substitute that beginning phoneme. So chip, you say chip, and they'll say change ch to sh, and you'll say ship. They'll say cheese, you repeat cheese, change ch to and you'll say these. All right, guys, that is it for the week. If you have any questions, please let us know.